Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop, and shout out to Ma'am Geraldine Aliboso of Camarines Norte. Okay, thank you for choosing 5th Generation Hobby Shop. By the way, si Ma'am Geraldine ay nag-order sa aming Lazada shop. Okay guys, kung gusto nyo mag-avail, pwede kayo mag-order sa aming Lazada shop. Okay, just search on 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Okay, so ang order ni Ma'am Geraldine is a Hi-Capa, 2011 Hi-Capa 5.1 Type K semi-automatic pistol, gas blowback pistol. Okay, this is it. This is the Hi-Capa 5.1. Okay. 2011 Hi-Capa 5.1. Ganda ng serrations niya. Front and rear. Standard sight. Fixed front sight, adjustable rear sight. Manual safety, beaver tail safety. Okay, this is ambidextrous manual safety. Okay. Okay, the safety is working. Safety off. Safety on. And it's beaver tail. Safety off. Okay. And then the beaver it's ambidextrous. Okay, not beaver tail. This is the beaver tail safety. And it is also functioning. Okay. So this is the Hi-Capa 2011. Okay, pag hindi siya naka-press, hindi siya puputok. Okay, once naka-press, once engaged, putok na siya. Okay. Hi-Capa 5.1K. Wow, napakaganda niya. Okay. So, order ni Ma'am Geraldine. Okay. Ma'am Geraldine, Hi-Capa 2011. Okay. Now, let's load some BBs. Okay. May BBs na siya. Then, lagyan natin ng gas. Okay. Make sure inverted position. Okay. Ma'am Geraldine, it comes with free, okay, meron siyang 23 grams na 4,000 shot BBs para meron na kayong magamit. And also comes with the green gas. Okay, standard power, green gas. Okay. Then manual niya nasa box. Owner's manual. Okay, so napakaganda. 5.1, this is standard size. Ganda ng serrations niya. You can also put some flashlights or laser kasi mayroon siya accessory rail. And also, you can also put some suppressor, tracer units, like that. Okay? Kasi mayroon thread yung barrel niya. Okay? So, now, we'll go to testing. Before we ship it out, testing tayo. Okay? Okay, Ma'am Geraldine, here's your 5.1 2011 Hi-Capa 5.1 Type K. Okay, video testing. Check natin safety, no? Working. Okay, now it's ready to fire. Okay. Ready to fire. Firing. Sinan natin yung bala. Okay, open slide. That means wala nang bala. Okay, and then press down the slide stop, slide release, this one, para bumalik yung slide into its original position. Okay, and then hammer down. Okay, so okay na po, Ma'am Geraldine, ang inyong unit Hi-Capa 5.1 Type K. If may question po, mag-message lamang po sa aming page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you po and have a nice day.